Hey, so today on Tuesday Tips, we wanted to talk to you about trees and irrigation systems. So we always get those phone calls this time of the year about the irrigation system. We get out to the home and then you have this beautiful tree. If you can see behind me, this is a beautiful native river birch tree here in a neighborhood in a subdivision here in Warner Robins. And this tree has been here probably 10 or 15 years. And as you can tell, this tree is huge. This is a river birch tree and they love water, so they will always find water, and they find water in your pipes and around your pipes. And so today we've been here almost all day today digging out and trying to repair an irrigation main line to an irrigation system and a couple of lateral zone lines due to the fact of irrigation situation with some trees. And so as you can see, this is a cross section of a tree, part of what we've cut out here today. This section is basically all the main part of the roots. We haven't gotten the main section out yet, but we will be getting that out here in just a little while to get that finished up. And so we wanted to talk to you about when you're planting these trees, you got to keep in mind the location. And so this particular yard is a small yard. It had two river birch trees in it. One already died and the client cut that one down. Now we still have the second one here. And this second one over the time has expanded its roots out into the yard, which has resulted in the irrigation system being damaged, which is why we're here today. And so keep in mind when you're selecting trees for your yard, or maybe you've got a builder who already planted some trees in your yard, keep in mind what those trees are going to do to your irrigation system, what they're going to do to the overall appearance. Yes, it's a beautiful tree in the right location. Obviously, this is not a very conducive location because this particular yard, we have the water meter right here, we have electrical lines and utility lines, and then we also have our irrigation system. And the tree has actually grown around the irrigation lines and has actually caused it to crack and break. So if you have questions about selection of trees, remember the type of tree that you're looking for, how much water it needs, the location, what is the overall complete total height of that tree going to be. Keep those important things in mind when you're selecting a tree for your yard. If you have any questions about a tree or tree selection, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help you in your tree selections.